Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Right now we're going to be reviewing Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide Pure Wash, Slick and Slide Polymers, whatever that means. This is Turtle Wax's response to people asking for just a pure car wash soap. Because before this, and I'll see if I can put some cards in here, they had their Zip Wax, they've got other car washes, they've got their Max Power, which is more alkaline. They've had numerous, bargain store car washes. They've got the Hybrid Solutions ceramic wash and wax, and they've got the Turtle Wax Ice wash and wax, and they had Ice Snow Foam. I haven't seen Ice Snow Foam. So I think this might be somewhat replacing the Ice Snow Foams. Ice Snow Foam was a really good one. That was just a pure car wash. So this is similar. Now this doesn't have the Ice Snow Foam bubblegum scent. This has the this just has a regular light fresh scent. But this, this is for just washing your car. It doesn't strip off any protection. It doesn't add anything to your surface. It just washes. That's what people wanted. That's what Turtle Wax delivered. So I know this has been another anticipated product from them, and it's available in gallons as well as some of the other products. So let's turn it around and take a look at the instructions. Okay, so add 2 ounces to your foam dispenser and add 14 ounces of warm water. Now I did the math. This is about 1,000 milliliters of water in the foam cannon. That comes out to approximately 33 ounces. So we're going to have to add about 4.5 ounces roughly to the foam cannon. That is a bit more than I'd like. It's not as concentrated as some other products, but not bad overall. And then for a bucket wash, add 2 to 3 ounces to a 5-gallon bucket. I've got 3-gallon buckets, so I'll just do 2 ounces. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this measured out. So again, just a car wash soap. Car wash soap's pretty straightforward. My wife's car needs to be washed anyways. It rained this morning. Now her car's dirty. So how much did I say we're going to add to this? About 4.5 ounces. Okay. So these are 1 ounce little medicine measuring cups. You can see right there where my finger is, if it focuses, 1 fluid ounce. So go ahead and measure it out. It is dyed. It doesn't pour out so great. You may want to get a dispenser for this, but there's 1 ounce. Oh my god, how messy. 2 ounces. 3. 4. And a 1/2 ounce, just to make sure I got enough. 4.5 ounces in a full foam cannon. Same with a foam gun if you use a foam gun. Most of them hold about 1,000 milliliters or 30 ounces, so whatever your measurements say, do the math, go based off that. So off the bat, I would say I'm not a fan of these type of containers because it is a pain to pour out of them. Now, for this type, you have to get the little pump, but it would take forever to fill up 4 ounces with a pump. Not forever, but it would take longer than I'd like. If it was a 1/2 ounce or 1 ounce, okay, no big deal, but just a little complaint. Turtle Wax, maybe look at an option for better dispensing your product, because now I've got stuff all over here, and that's just wasted product, which nobody likes. We'll get that on there. I've got hot water in here from the tap to make sure that we get maximum foam potential. We'll give it a shake. Now you look in the bottom, I don't see any of the soap. The soap seems to mix in well with the water, but we'll take another look when we get to the bucket. So let's go ahead and get this hooked up to the foam cannon, and we'll see how it foams, and then we'll see its cleaning ability. Alright, so there's the wife's car. It's not super dirty, but it's dirty enough, especially in the back. With the foam cannon, MJJC Foam Cannon Pro filled up. Let's go ahead and foam it. I've got the foam dial turned all the way to max. So, see how it works. Wow. Holy crap, that is a lot of foam. That is as good as the Chemical Guys, what do they call it? Sticky Snowball I just tried out. That stuff comes out thick. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm going to foam the rest of the car, let it dwell, and then we'll come back when it's time to rinse it off. Alright, so it's been a few minutes, and yeah, again, that's freaking nuts how much foam that is. I was not expecting that. Anybody at Turtle Wax, if you're watching this, that's amazing. Anyways, let's see how it rinses off before we move on to our bucket wash, contact wash. Alright, and as we can see, rinses pretty easily, guys. Didn't affect the protection that was on there, just from foam and rinse. Again, this is protected with Griot's Garage ceramic system. I'll put a card here for that as well if you're interested. But yeah, that's pretty good. So anyways, I'm going to get the rest of the car rinsed off, and then we'll fill the bucket and contact wash and see how it works that way. I mean, it's going to work obviously, but we'll just give a little bit of feedback on that. Alright, so we got our wash bucket right there with the red grit guard insert. It says you need 2 to 3 ounces for 5 gallons. We got almost 3 gallons in here, so we'll do 2 ounces. That's 1. That's 2. Alright, we will agitate it with the pressure washer gun. As you can see, it foams up nicely in the bucket. Alright, so let's go ahead and move over to the car itself. Alright, so we'll contact wash this side of the car, rinse it off. It's going to be pretty straightforward. And I lied earlier saying it has a fresh scent. It has kind of a bubblegum scent, very similar to Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam, which is no longer available, so I wonder if it's the same thing or if it's reformulated, what the situation may be. But it's a good soap nonetheless. But let's get moving and get this done. Alright, as you can see, it did have minimal impact on the protection, sheeting a little bit slower than it was before. Nothing crazy. It had pretty good lubrication, good cleaning ability, smells nice, and you saw it left a lot of suds. So that's the review of the soap. We'll go back, give our final thoughts, and in the video. So that's it for the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro Slick and Slide Pure Wash. Let me know what you think. My personal opinion, it's pretty good. I mean, I would use this as a regular wash soap if I didn't already have other options. But they definitely delivered. As you saw, the foam, crazy foam, insane amount of foam. If you really like foam, this is going to be good soap. Then its actual washing ability is very good as well. Had really no complaints about it. I just hated how you have to pour it out of the bottle that way, but you know, they didn't design the bottle necessarily, but maybe they'll come up with a solution. You know, maybe they can sell pumps with it or something like that, so it's easier to get out without spilling everywhere. But other than that, you know, like I said, it's pretty good. I definitely give this high marks, high regards. Would recommend it to anybody interested. But anyways, as always, appreciate you watching the video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know, do you plan on trying this or something else, or what your favorite soap is? Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, have a good day and thanks for watching.